How do we find approximate solutions to quadratic equations using a graph? So all you have to do is look for the x-intercept, the solutions, the roots. So for this one, for example, one of the solutions is x equals -4 and x equals -2 is the other solution. Looking at this one, it's about -12 and -20. If you had another one going like so, then we'd have two solutions, x equals 6 and x equals 14. Don't forget, this is not the solution, it's the x-intercepts. And you're normally going to have two solutions in the quadratic equations that you look at this particular level.